guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and welcome to today's video. I am so excited for today's video because if you know me, I love online shopping. I have been doing this for years now, and now it's cool because like I have an excuse. I have to make a video on it, so it just makes me shop even more. I bought from a couple different places lately, so I thought I would just kind of put them all together in the same video. So I did place another order on Boohoo. I bought a couple things from Lululemon, and I also placed an order on Sephora. So I'm very excited to be showing you all of that today. Before we get started with today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And if you want to see me do more of these hauls, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the family and see all my future videos. I do post twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. I guess we'll first start off with Boohoo. I guess that's the one that I'm most excited about. The first piece I got is actually this white long sleeve shirt. I am absolutely obsessed with this. It's perfect for summer nights when, you know, it starts to get a little chilly. You can just throw this on. It's not too thick, it's very thin, and it'll just keep you warm and you'll still be super cute. I love how the sleeves are made. They are a little bit oversized, and then, you know, I did tie it up here so it goes a little tighter, and then I love the buttons. I will for sure be wearing this on top of anything that is more nude. I think that these buttons will complement the nude top or dress or whatever I'm wearing really well. Just for reference, I did get a size small in all of the pieces that I will be showing you today. But the next thing I got is this black little summer dress. I got this because this will just be perfect for every day on those hot summer days. It's very lightweight, it's not thick. You can wear this with some sandals or some sneakers. It'll go very well with both. It is just going to be super comfortable, and at the same time you'll be looking cute. So I'm excited to wear this summer. The next thing I got is actually this top that is a little fancier than everything that I'll be showing you today. I realized that when I shop, I like to buy a lot of casual pieces of clothing. So I'll buy like sweatpants and biker shorts and some summer dresses. But when I look in my closet, I really don't have anything that's good for a night out, going to a restaurant, you know? So I thought, so when I saw this, I thought it was perfect for that. I love the detailing on it. I think it'll go perfect with some jeans and some heels. Put a bit of jewelry, and I think this would be a perfect look for a summer night. I'll be able to wear this in the winter too. The material is more thick than everything else that I'm showing you, and of course the restaurants are starting to open slowly, so I'm very excited to start wearing this. The next thing I got is nothing too crazy, but I did get these gray colored biker shorts. They are ribbed and I think they are so cute. This is also something that I can wear paired with this. I'm so glad that biker shorts have come in style lately because they are so comfortable, and I think I have 5 pairs, and yeah, this is something that I will be wearing for sure all summer long. So in my last Boohoo haul, I showed you guys that I got these sandals that have this straw kind of look, and I'm so obsessed with them. I have been wearing them and been absolutely loving them. So this time what I got is the same thing but in a heel form. So the wedges are coming back in style and I'm all for it. I think these are super cute. You can wear these with a little dress. They're great for a more casual look or a more fancy look. They really complement both. These will for sure be my go-to heels all summer long. I absolutely love them, and they are so comfortable, which I think is the most important part. Next, we'll move on to Sephora. I didn't get much makeup from Sephora. I would say it's more skincare. The first thing I picked up is a new beauty blender. Make sure that you're changing out your beauty blenders every couple of months because bacteria does build up, you know, with all the makeup and everything. Every couple of months, I would say like, I guess like every change of the season is the time where I do change it. I know that they have like 10 different types. This one is my favorite. I've been using it for years now. So it's the Black Pro one, I think it's called. This is just something that I like to repurchase, and I highly recommend that you do the same. The next thing I got is actually my #1 favorite cleanser for my face, and it's the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. I did recently post a skincare routine, and I wasn't able to show you guys this product because I had completely run out of the one that I used. Maybe I should have just inserted a picture and still spoke to you guys about it, but anyways. So I did finally buy it. It was out of stock for a little while. So as soon as I saw that it came back in stock, I purchased it right away. This is amazing. It does not break me out. I explained to you guys in that skincare routine how I do have sensitive skin. So it's very easy for me to break out. I can't even wear any masks, not even one, because all the ones that I've tried out always break me out. I've tried gel masks, clay masks, charcoal masks, name it, I have tried it, and I always wake up the next morning with a pimple. So anyway, just to say that I have sensitive skin. If you do have any mask recommendations for me, leave them down below. I really need some. But this is amazing. I don't have a lot of acne, but I do get more hormonal acne, I would say. So I get some spots here and there, and I have noticed the difference that I haven't been using this for a little while, and I have been getting more pimples than usual. I highly recommend this cleanser if you are like me and have sensitive skin and do get a little bit of acne. This is really good. The next thing I got is also from Murad, not even on purpose, but it's my, once again, #1 favorite exfoliator. It is the Murad Pore Rescue Skin Smoothing Polish. This is amazing because I have sensitive skin, so I don't like exfoliators that feel like, you know, you're rubbing sand against your face. This one is so smooth on the skin. When you put water, it kind of forms like a foam, and then you can really go, you know, in circular motions and exfoliate your skin, and it feels so good. This also doesn't break me out, so that's something with skincare routine. Whatever that I do recommend you guys, they are sensitive skin worthy, if that makes sense. And the last thing I got from Sephora is actually this Sephora collection brush tip lash adhesive. So it is latex free, which is cool. And the real reason why I bought this, I'll be honest, is because my favorite lash glue that I've been using for such a long time is from House of Lashes, and it's amazing. It literally, not once have I been out and my lash starts to like unglue. It's amazing, but Sephora stopped selling it, so now first world problems, but I have to actually buy it on the House of Lashes site and then pay for shipping and then all of that. So it's just more expensive for nothing when I could have just got it on Sephora, got free shipping, and it was just so easy. So I found this. I think it's literally a dupe for it. I think it's $1 or $2 less, but it's literally the same thing. It's even, you know, the brush tip, it's latex free. It's the black one. I always get the black one. So I haven't tried it out yet, but I am really excited to, because if that means that I don't have to go on the actual website of House of Lashes and pay for shipping and all that, that would be great. So the last thing I have to show you is from Lululemon. The first thing I got here is this white sports bra. If you follow me on Instagram, you'd see that lately I've been really getting into tennis. I am someone that just loves the outdoors. I love to spend every work break I get outside, just taking in that vitamin D from the sun. I love being outside. Sometimes Montreal weather can get a little crazy. It's just, and the past 2 weeks have been absolutely beautiful. I just wish we had this weather all year round. But like I said, I have been getting into tennis, so I did want to invest in some really good white pieces of clothing. I know it's not necessary, but the white sports bra that I did already have, I had gotten from Forever 21 a couple years ago. It was like $20. It did work and everything, but you can tell, you know, like that the quality wasn't there. So when you're running and going here, sometimes, sorry if it's TMI, but if you do have a bigger chest area, anyway, that sports bra didn't give me the support that I needed. So I invested in this really good white sports bra from Lululemon. The tag is still on, so you know, I haven't tried it out, but already you can just tell there's a lot more area that's covered, and already I can just tell that this will give me much more support than the last one I had. It's so cute. I love the back, how it's all crisscrossed like that, and I think this will just become my go-to sports bra, even for just working out and doing my other physical activities that I love to do. Then to go with the white sports bra, I also got these white shorts. I'll be honest, I still have the tag on it because I don't know if I'm keeping this. I do want something that is more high-waisted. As you can see, these go like right under the belly button, and I want something that does cover a little more, but I didn't see they had that on Lululemon. I really do like them. They have such a lightweight feeling, and I know that playing and running around in this would feel great. Also, it does come with the underwear underneath because it is a little see-through, so I'm not too crazy about that either. And I don't know if spending, how much were these? I won't even say the price, but I don't know if spending that much money for these is worth it if I'm not 100% obsessed with them. And the last thing I got from Lululemon, this I am obsessed with, and it is these biker shorts. I showed you guys in a past video, I think it was my favorite workout clothes that I had recently gotten, these type of leggings that are full length, and I actually got them in 2 colors. That's how much I love them. I had gotten the black and the dark gray one, and now I got the same type of legging. I forgot the exact specific name, so it'll be down in the description box, but I literally got the same exact one, just in a shorter size, so just the length is just shorter. I love this so much. You really pay for what you get. I have other biker shorts that I've gotten from Boohoo and Fashion Nova, but nothing feels like a Lululemon legging. I love this one specifically because it does have a good waistband and helps tuck everything in. It does also have this here that you can use to tighten the band, because if you're like me and have a little larger thighs but then a smaller waist, this is key. I wish all my leggings had this. I love that there's a pocket on the side, so when I'm going for a walk, or even if I wear this for tennis or anything, just having a pocket comes super in handy. And yeah, I love these. These will also be my go-to for all summer long. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming this. I think this has really become my favorite type of video to film. I'm just obsessed with everything that is fashion and online shopping, and I'm always doing it, so expect more hauls to come. Like this video if you did enjoy it, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!